Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mint, specifically spearmint, and anytime you hear someone refer to mint, it's usually spearmint that they're referring to. And I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with mint. So if you're looking for some recipe or meal ideas, and wanting to know what pairs well with mint, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, mint goes well with almonds, beans in general, but especially black beans, green beans, and white beans, bean shoots, beef, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, lamb, lentils, lima beans, peanuts, peas, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, salmon, and other seafood, turkey, and veal. In the way of vegetables that go well with mint, there's artichokes, asparagus, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, chilies, chives, cucumbers, eggplant, endive, garlic, ginger, jicama, kale, lettuce, marinated vegetables, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radishes, scallions, shallots, spinach, squash, and that includes winter and summer squash, tomatoes, and zucchini. In the way of fruits that go well with mint, there's apples, berries of all sorts, but especially blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, citrus fruits in general, coconut, figs, fruits in general, and that includes dried and fresh fruits, grapefruit, grapes, and grape juice, lemon, lime, mangoes, now this would be the green mangoes, melons, especially honeydew melons, olives, oranges, and orange juice, papaya, especially green papaya, peaches, pears, pineapple, and even watermelon. In the way of grains and grain products, there's barley, corn, couscous, grains in general, millet, noodles like Asian noodles like rice noodles, pasta, quinoa, rice, and wheat berries. In the way of dairy and non-dairy products, there's cheese, especially feta cheese and ricotta cheese, coconut milk, cream, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's bourbon, chocolate, gin, rum, sugar, especially brown sugar, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar and white wine vinegar. Well, I do hope that this helps to give you some new ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.